Hello, my name is Toyib. I'm a member of VTpass team. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how you can generate your VTpass API keys. So in this tutorial, I'll be using the Sandbox as an example. So let's log in and see how we can generate our API keys. So if you don't already have an account, you can create an account using the sign up link here. As for me, I already have an account, so I'll be logging into my account. So I'm already logged in. On the Sandbox sidebar, I'll be under the account setting. You see API keys. You can click it. It will directly take you to where you can generate your API key. So under the API authentication type, you have to set it to API keys. Using basic keys as its downside, which is it could compromise if exposed to third parties. And if you change your password, your transaction might not be coming through to VTpass. So it's advisable you use API keys for your authentication mode. After setting it, you have to click submit to submit it. So the next step is copying our keys. As you can see, the API key has already been automatically generated, and for the public key and the secret key, you can only get to generate it once until you load the page. So in this case, I've already clicked the key. I've already clicked to regenerate the key. So here's my public key, and here is my secret key. So in this tutorial, I'll be using Postman to show you how you can add it to your request headers. So here's my Postman. So for this tutorial, I will be using Sandbox. So I'll query the balance endpoint on sandbox.vtpass.com/API/balance. So under the header section, I'll call my API key. Then you can come here and copy my API key. Put the value, then the public key. Copy it, then paste it here. So for get endpoints, we have to use the public key and the API key to query get endpoints. As you can see, it returned my balance of 571,323 naira and 21 kobo, which is the same amount I have here in my account. So to use the key with post, you have to use the secret key for post endpoint. So for this case, I'll be testing merchant verify, where you can verify in particular either DSTV, GoTV, or electricity meter. So as you can see, my headers is set. I use the secret key and I use the API key combo. Now in the body, I'll be testing for DSTV. So service ID is DSTV, and last code. So these are predefined biller's code you can use for verification on the Sandbox. So it should be 1212, making it up to 10 strings. So let's test this. As you can see, it returns the result for the verification of DSTV. So this is the process you have to go through. Also, if you are migrating from Sandbox to live environment, it's the same step. You come to account settings on the sidebar. Okay, under accounts, you see API keys. You click on the API key and you set your authentication type. Then you regenerate your public and secret key. So this will mark the end of the tutorial, and if you need any help, you can always reach out to us on Teams or Microsoft Teams via our tech support. There I will be providing you with any assistance you need during your integration and after your integration. Thank you.